and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Mannville, Alberta is a small village about 168 kilometers east of Edmonton, sitting where Highway 16 meets secondary Highway 881. With a population of around 765, it's a quiet place with deep roots and a resilient spirit. The village got its name from Sir Donald Mann, Vice President of the Canadian Northern Railway. When the railway came through, it transformed Mannville into a hub for agriculture and trade on the prairies. Early settlers, though, had to battle harsh realities. After a few wet years in the early 1900s, tall prairie grasses dried out and fed massive fires that swept through the area. Those fires were a constant threat to their hard-built homes and businesses. The community spirit hasn't faded. In January 2024, an oil lease fire about 23 kilometers southeast of the village triggered toxic smoke alerts. Mannville's volunteer fire department, with over 75 years of experience, jumped into action to help contain the situation. It's a good reminder that small towns don't mean small efforts. If history is your thing, Mannville has a few gems. The Mannville Historical Telephone Exchange Museum sits inside Alberta's first government-run telephone office north of Edmonton. It even has a working switchboard from 1917, one of the only ones of its kind in Alberta. The Village Treasures building, once the Mannville Trading Store, also stands as a reminder of how commerce shaped life here. For a breath of fresh air, Vermilion Provincial Park is just 17 kilometers to the east. With its quiet trails, picnic areas, and chances to spot wildlife, it's a nice way to stretch your legs and take in the landscape that the early settlers called home. Mannville mixes history, hard work, and a sense of community that has stuck around through thick and thin. Whether you're driving through or staying a while, it's a clear window into the heart of Alberta's prairie life. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.